Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a kafta meat mixture recipe with simple ingredients. And here are the prepared ingredients. Here I have lamb minced meat, a teaspoon of salt and 7 spices powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, a half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 medium size of white onions, and some parsley leaves. Let's get started. Let's cut our onion into small size cubes. And then keep aside. Now let's cut our parsley. Cut it into thin slice. And done. With our prepared lamb meats, let's put in our cut ingredients. And add our prepared seasonings. Let's combine all together. Be sure that the meat is dried and our veggies to not so that our meat will not wet. Combine well. And done. And our flavorful kafta mixture recipe is ready. Very simple and easy to make with few ingredients. You can make this flavorful kafta recipe with kafta meat barbecue or meatballs and any delicious recipe you want with our prepared kafta mixture recipe. And I make my kafta mixture to kafta barbecue. And I made my kafta mixture to kafta barbecue recipe.